Applejack.
It's Applejack?
It's her. Take a picture of her key mark.
Okay, got it.
And take a picture of Twilight Sparkle's key mark.
Okay, well, show me her cutie mark. Well, that's not where her cutie mark is. It's on the other side. There it is. Okay. I got it.
You got it. You got her picture.
Yep. What other ponies do you have?
I got Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie?
Yeah. There's her key mark right there.
What's her cutie mark? What is it?
It's balloon key mark.
Balloons. Yeah.
You're right, Mommy. The balloons.
Okay, who else do you have?
Did you take a picture?
I did.
And I got that one.
Who is that?
That's Princess Alicia.
Yeah.
Take a picture of her.
I got it. There we go. I got it. And who's left?
Spike is left.
Who's Spike?
Purple.
He's purple.
Yeah, he's purple.
So who are you missing?
Oh.
What ponies do you have? What ponies are missing?
Applejack's missing?
No, Applejack's there. What about Fluttershy?
Yep. Fluttershy's missing.
Who else is missing?
Rainbow.
And who else?
Yeah. No one.
Who's the one with the white body and the purple hair?
Sorry.
Rarity? Yeah. Okay.
Andy.
Okay.